Hello everyone, welcome back to ST Academy. As promised, we have a very good job opportunity from Amazon. It's purely work from home job and qualification is only intermediate. If you are intermediate pass, then you will be eligible for this job role. Monthly salary it will be 20,000 to 30,000 per month. Okay, so I will show you the application process and I'm also giving you the links to apply for this job role in Amazon job site. So this location and this job opportunity is available in various location. I will also tell you which locations are available and you need to apply for those jobs. Okay, and as you know, Amazon is very good company to work with, and I'm sure if you guys follow this instruction, you will able to go to the assessment point of view. After you complete the assessment, you will be able to start working with Amazon. Approximately the application and hiring process will take 1 week to 10 days depending on the workflow they have. Amazon hiring process is very easy for this job opportunity and you don't need to worry about it. Okay, and at the end of this test I will also tell you what they will going to ask in HR round. Okay, let's get started. This is the Amazon websites, Amazon job portal, where you can apply for the jobs, and current and virtual Telangana, India, and Tamil Nadu, and you can see West Bengal as well and Bangalore as well. They are hiring for this location. All is work from home. Click on Telangana virtual home and here you can see the job ID, virtual customer support associate Telangana, work from home with Amazon customer service. What will you do as a customer support Amazon customer service associate? You will have a very clear purpose to prevent issues, solve queries, and delight our customers. You will be first point of contact for our customers by answering their questions through phones, chat, and email. This includes everything from orders and product questions to payment matter and website guidance. Our customer service associate use a variety of tools to navigate, research, and communicate effectively with customers. So this is the basics role and responsibility that you as a customer service associate will be doing in Amazon. And what are the criteria to get enrolled in this? You need to be minimum 18 years of old and have the right to work in India, strong communication skills, both written and oral fluency, experience working with computer, the availability to work variety of shift from Monday to Sunday within the operational hours from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Willingness and ability to work in rotational shifts. So this is the requirement that they are looking for. So basically the shift will be changed every 3 months. So you will be get notified and you need to have a dedicated workspace in order to work from home. And as technical point of view, you need to have minimum of 20 Mbps of internet speed. So this is the basic requirement and you don't need to be graduate. Even if you are an intermediate pass out, you will be eligible to apply. Okay, and this is a very good, great work from home opportunity. The benefits are very great with the Amazon. You will get a medical insurance, pension plan, internal allowances, and lifestyle benefits with their Amazon retail discount through Amazon Extras program. And you will be given training and ongoing opportunities to learn more and develop your skills. In order to complete this job application, you need to allow 3 hours to complete the full application. This include the assessment. Most of the time will be taken by the assessment, which will be evaluate your suitability for the role. You will have the option to save the application during the process and return it if necessary. So now let's click on apply, press accept and then continue. And then here you need to allow your location and you need to create a new account. Without creating an account, you will not be able to apply for this. Ensure that you fill all the information correctly. Create this account. Next, create account and then you need to mention your first name, your surname, and your email address. And please re-enter your email address to verify it. Enter the mobile number as well, and then re-enter the mobile number and your preferred language. It would be English, right? So press on English, and then you need to create a pin like a 6 digit any number that you can remember easily. You need to create that pin and then consent to this and then press next. Once you have created the account, then you will need to fill out all your contact information like your name, your last name, and preferred name you can leave it blank if you want, and you need to mention your address, pin code, and your city and postal code and state, all that, and then agree to this and then press that you have read all the above information and I would like to receive automated test. So basically they will keep you updated through your test message about the job application process, and then you need to agree to this as well, and then you need to have a national ID so you can select as per your availability. So basically most of us have Aadhaar card, so let's select Aadhaar card and then write down your Aadhaar card ID and your date of birth, and they will ask how did you hear about the online job board, and then you can select Amazon career site. Save and continue. Then after that there is general questions, so you need to answer that if you are an 18-year and old and you are authorized to work in India, and what is your minimum qualification. So 12th pass is mandatory like I said before, and are you willing to work in non-technical role, so press yes. You will be undergoing training, so first 6 to 8 weeks there will be a training, and you will not allowed to have any leave or unplanned leave during this training period. Okay, they have brought a range of working hours, so you need to abide by that. You need to work as per their requirement. In order to meet our customer needs, we implemented blackout dates. So, like during peak seasons like Diwali or any festival seasons where there is lot of sale going on, you will not be able to take leaves, planned or unplanned. So, this is what they want to make sure that you are okay with it. So, this is called blackout period. And are you willing to work flexible hours? Right? Yes. And are you willing to work on overnight shift? Yes. Amazon offers 5 days a work, so you will have two consecutive, like two back-to-back days off in a week. So the week start from Sunday to Saturday. So the week offs will be any 2 days on the week. Okay. And when I apply for Amazon, I understand that Amazon will conduct, so they will conduct background verification. So you need to authorize that as well. And I'm aware that I understand that my employment is subject to background verification. So even if you have selected, you need to successfully complete the background verification in order to get onboarded, and then click save and continue. So after you completed general questions, there is this section, tell us about yourself. So in this you will need to give this information like you have worked with Amazon or any other Amazon related companies before. Have you previously worked for Amazon or any other subsidiary? So no, you will have to click no. And experience level, fresher. If you are experienced, then you need to write down your past employer. Okay, and you need to provide total number of work experience. Basically for fresher it goes 0 to 6 months. What is your previous last drawn salary? So based on, if you are fresher, then you need to press NA, and if you are experienced, your last drawn salary, it is 1 to 2 lakhs or 3 to 4 lakhs or like that. So what is your native language? English as a language is mandatory for customer service job profile, and your assessment will be in English. However, for few roles in customer service, you will be required to interact with customer in other languages. So they need to know which other languages you can speak. So select as per your languages you can speak, and please specify your citizenship. So Indian citizen. And do you have a wide connection? Click on yes. Even if you don't have, click on yes, and when you get the job, you can take a connection. And please select your highest qualification. Like I said, even if you are intermediate, you can apply for this job based on your qualification. You need to select this. And are you currently studying? Press no, because most probably Amazon will not hire people who are currently studying. And please select which type of degree you have, or if you are intermediate, then please select intermediate, and then select save and continue. On this next part you will have diversity. So questions like what is your gender, male or female. Next question is, do you identify yourself as part of LGBTQIA plus community? The next question is disability or anything like that. So if you have any, you don't need to worry. Even if you have a disability, they will hire you. Answer based on that, and then save and continue. And then this round is assessment round. So you need to go to the assessment. Click on go to assessment. So please read this carefully before you begin the assessment, and please go through this before you give the assessment. And this is the system requirement, so ensure you are well prepared for this assessment, which will take for up to 1.5 hours. And these are don'ts. Please do not switch off webcam or microphone. Do not attend the test from a poor illuminated location, so dark location. Do not move away from the webcam at any point during the assessment. Okay, do not talk to your friend or family. So you need to be quiet and in a disturbance free environment, so you can't talk to your friends and family. Okay, and do not access other electronic devices like mobile. So if you are using your mobile and other electronic device, the camera will catch that, and this whole test is being proctored, so they will see that, and most probably they will disqualify you. Okay, and please be in your casual self, and do not attend the assessment in informal setting like lying on a bed, couch, sitting in your balcony, etc. Okay, now press on go to assessment. So once you click on go to assessment, you will be directed to the secure web browser. So you need to first download the web browser. Let me show you. So once you are on the secure exam browser, not install exam browser, you need to install it. So click on that download secure web browser, and then the setup file will be downloaded, and then you need to install it. And once you install it like this, this is a setup file. You need to start download and then open it, and then prepare secure exam browser and all that. So you need to allow this. So basically what this do is it will restrict you with opening any other web page during exam. So be prepared on that. You cannot use any other web page during exam. If you exit the web page of the secure web browser, the test will be discontinued. So make sure, okay? And the test is not that hard. It's only a situation based questions that you need to answer. I'm sure that your guys can crack it. Once you completed the assessment, you need to submit the application. And once you submit the application, you will get a confirmation mail and you need to wait for the reply. Most probably they will send you an email to join a meeting, and in that meeting they will take an interview. In the HR round, most probably they will ask you about yourself, and then they will need to check your English proficiency and as well as your local language proficiency. So they may give you a topic about your city or state, and you need to speak on that topic for the duration of the time, like within 1 minute or 30 seconds it would be enough. They just want to check your proficiency in your local language as well as English language. So you don't need to worry about the interview process. It's very basic and simple, and after this they will tell you the salary what they are going to offer you, and you need to acknowledge that as well. And then they will ask you about your availability when you are going to join, as are you an immediate joiner and all that. So you need to confirm that as well, and once this all over they will send you a confirmation mail. Once the interview is over, your hiring process will start. So getting to the HR round is very important. Once you get to the HR round, you don't need to worry, you're 80% getting higher. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you got selected, and I hope you well on your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon to never miss our videos and share with your friends if you like our video. See you next time.